What if you could summarize the content for any video on YouTube in seconds without even leaving YouTube? Wouldn't that be amazing? It will save you a ton of time just by reading the transcript.
In this video, I'll show you how to get the transcript for any video on YouTube within a few seconds using a free Chrome extension and have it summarized in a few points using ChatGPT without even leaving YouTube.
Here's how to summarize any YouTube video.
Go to the Chrome Web Store online, click on Search Extensions. Enter YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Install the Chrome extension YouTube and Article Summary powered by ChatGPT. Go to any video on YouTube and you'll see Transcript and Summary on the right of the video. If you click the drop down, you see that the whole video has been transcribed into English. You also got Hindi, Japanese, and Spanish. If I click on the cog, it says View AI Summary. It opens ChatGPT containing a transcript of the video content. ChatGPT has now summarized the video content into 5 main points. If you want to rewrite the summary, you can say rewrite the summary and make it more compelling. Now YouTube is rewriting the summary that I've just inputted into ChatGPT.
I could use this information for a blog post, another video, or even on social media.
If I hover over this icon, it says jump to current time. If I'm watching the content at time 4:03, I can just click jump to current time. Now I have the exact transcript of the current time in the video. If I hover over this icon, it says copy transcript. I could then copy and paste it into a Google Doc to read the content. Alternatively, I can ask ChatGPT to create a bulleted summary of the video content. Now ChatGPT is creating a bulleted list of the content of this video.
What are some of the best ways to use this YouTube Summary Chrome extension? Get the transcript for any video on YouTube within seconds. You can also summarize the transcript within a few seconds using ChatGPT. You can also get a transcript of your unlisted videos that haven't been published on YouTube yet.
Here are a few ways you can use a transcript. You can use the summary to post to your community tab. You can use it as a blog post by adding some of your own content or personal testimonies. You can edit some of the content to make into a short so you can get more views. If you're outside or perhaps in the office and you have the sound turned off, you can open up your phone to view a video, then below the video, look at transcript, follow along using the transcript, and you'll be able to read the transcript instead of watching the video on your phone.
Replace the auto-generated transcript from YouTube. Instead of wasting time editing the auto-generated transcript from YouTube, use the transcript generated from the free extension to create subtitles and closed captions on your videos.
Click on one of your unlisted videos on YouTube, click on the URL, click copy transcript, click on subtitles, click on auto sync, paste transcript, remove the timestamps, click edit timings, click done. Now you see the closed captions under your video as it's playing.
If you want to know how to make better YouTube videos using ChatGPT, watch a video on the screen right now titled 5 Creative Ways to Use ChatGPT to Make Better YouTube Videos. You'll be glad you did.